What's going on, my friend? Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to break down high ticket sales for beginners. Now you can see on the screen right here that this is a high ticket sale I was able to generate recently. You can see that I generated $1,500 in a single commission. Now the beautiful thing about this commission was I didn't actually have to make the sales myself. So if you're watching this video very closely right now, and maybe you're brand new to marketing or sales, you don't like sales, you think it's icky, maybe you don't want to do the sales yourself, but you still want to receive these big, higher price payouts, you're in the right place. Now you can see right here, this was another commission that I was able to generate. This is $5,000. Now maybe you're watching this video because you've realized the power of just making a few higher price sales where you need a lot less commissions to really hit an income goal, change your life, and be able to create the results you want. Now, very quickly, I want to share just a few other people that have been able to use the exact method and process I'm about to reveal inside of this video, and they've been able to make high ticket sales themselves. Jason right here, okay, was able to make a $3,000 commission. You can see right here, Susie, okay, was able to make a $1,500 commission. Now, a lot of these people are beginners, okay? They've never made money online before. They followed the exact blueprint that I'm about to reveal inside this video, and they were able to create some pretty darn amazing results. One more, Honest right here, a $1,500 commission. Now, before I dive into this exact process and how to hit the ground running and start high ticket sales, even if you're completely brand new, I want to share that you can actually click the link below at any time. It's going to take you to a full in-depth 2-hour training that one of my good buddies and seven-figure earners created recently, where it's going to show how to make $2,000 per commission or more on total autopilot without doing any selling yourself, okay? So you can go ahead, go to this page, register for that training, and get way more info. But without further ado, let me go ahead and dive in. So I have a whiteboard right here. Now I want to walk you through step by simple step on exactly how to do it. Now this is high ticket affiliate marketing. There's high ticket coaching. There's high ticket sales in a lot of different ways. But the reason I recommend high ticket affiliate marketing is because you can actually find products that are already created online. You don't have to do them yourself, and you can actually go ahead and promote those high converting, good selling products. And when people buy those products through your link, you're able to make sales, okay? So the first step is we need to get traffic, okay? So I say right here, traffic, right? Now, what is traffic? I don't mean traffic like, traffic on the street with cars. Traffic, when it comes to high ticket sales, is basically getting people, okay, to click your link. Because what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making sales online. Now, a lot of people, they try to go outside, hit pavement. They try to pass out flyers, around their neighborhood. This is a very slow and outdated method. We can literally tap into the power of social media, okay? And we can use sites like Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, okay, which is incredibly popular right now, okay, TikTok, YouTube, which is a video you're watching right now, okay, and we can go ahead and get traffic. Now, before I dive into the full process right here on how to actually implement this, and you can literally get all this done for you, by the way, so if this looks complicated, don't worry. As you stick with me through this entire video, towards the end, I'm going to share how you can literally implement this entire process done for you so you don't have to do any of this yourself. But essentially, the first thing, okay, that you want to understand when you go to get traffic, and I see so many people go wrong with this, is you want to attract your ideal customer, okay? So you want to define who is your ideal customer. So that this has to do with the product that you're actually promoting. When you want to do high ticket sales, you have a product, okay? Now, again, if you don't know how to find a high ticket product to actually promote, that link below when you go to that free training, okay, right here, that will actually share with you how to find good high ticket products. But essentially attracting your ideal customer, ideally, okay, when it comes to high ticket sales, you want to attract people that are 30 years old or more, okay? Now, why? Well, if you're selling a high ticket product, okay, this could be anywhere from $2,000 all the way up to $50,000 or more. Basically, you want to attract people that can afford the product you're promoting. So if you attract someone that's, let's say, 18 years old. Now, nothing against 18. If you're watching this video, nothing against you, but chances are you may not have, $5,000 laying around to invest into a product. So again, we want to attract people that can afford it. So first off, 30 plus years old. Next, we want to attract people that live in top tier countries. Now, what are top tier countries? These are basically countries that I've listed here, okay? United States, Canada, UK, Australia. Now, the reason we want to attract people in these specific countries is because, again, the minimum wage, the minimum monthly income and salary that these people are making in these countries is a lot higher than third world countries, for example, okay? So again, we're really wanting to attract our ideal customers, our ideal prospects, okay, that are most likely to want what we have to offer and that can afford what we have to offer, okay? And then last but not least, we want to attract people that have pain that our product solves. So again, this depends on what your product actually does. If you're in the health and wellness niche, okay, a pain could be losing weight, okay? Maybe someone desperately wants to lose weight, or maybe they have diabetes and they're not healthy, and this is a very high risk for them, okay? So they have a strong pain. The stronger the pain is, the bigger the desire someone has to solve their problem, the easier you are to make sales, okay? So again, these are just guidelines I highly recommend you follow if you want to make high ticket sales as fast and easy as possible. These are the exact criteria I look for. So now how does this come into play? Well, if we go back to our formula, okay, when it comes to getting traffic right here, okay, when you go to get traffic on Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, Snapchat, okay, there's endless different places. Most of the social media platforms are pretty darn good when it comes to traffic. We want to attract those people that are, again, 30 plus years old, living in top tier countries, etc. Now, how do we get traffic? Okay, before I move on to how to actually implement this process, why this process works, and why I feel this is the best process to make high ticket sales very easily. When it comes to getting traffic, okay, if you're watching my channel, if you're watching this video on YouTube, you can actually go through my channel. I have a lot of videos on step-by-step traffic methods such as Facebook, Twitter. But one way you can do it is Instagram. Okay, Instagram is free. You can run paid ads on Instagram, but you can actually use your profile. Now, I'm in Brazil right now, so my profile is actually in Portuguese, and I don't really use Instagram much to promote, but I have in the past. It works incredibly well. And one thing you can do is you can actually make posts on your profile, okay, and you can go ahead and build curiosity on whatever product you're promoting. So one of the best ways to actually get interest, generate traffic and leads is curiosity, okay? So you can post results. So for example, if I wanted to promote on Instagram, I could literally post this image and I could say, hey, this guy named Anis, okay, was able to generate $1,500 in a single commission. If you want to learn how to do this, go to the link in my bio. And then what you can do is post this, okay, right here. And then in your caption, okay, I have to log in, but in your caption, okay, you can literally say, that text, hey, this person made $1,500, go to the link to find out more. And then in your bio, you can literally just have your affiliate link, or ideally, okay, the capture page link. And I'm going to break down in a second what this actually means, but you would have your link to your capture page. And now, though, I want to break down the formula, okay, the actual process to make high ticket sales. Now, there's a lot of different ways, but I've found this to work the best, and it's this process here, okay? So the very first step is when you get traffic, okay, you want to send people to a capture page. Now, a capture page has a headline, okay, usually a piece of text, and it has a box for them to put their email in, okay, right here. A lot of people, when they try to do high ticket sales, they take the traffic and they try to send it directly to the sales page, directly to the page to sell that person on buying. But you have to understand, if you're selling a high ticket product, okay, anything that costs, $1,000 or more, chances are people aren't going to buy right away. Okay, almost no one is going to just fork over, $1,000 randomly online. Okay, there's a lot more trust that needs to be built. So instead, what we want to do is we want to send people first to the capture page, collecting that person's email, which adds them to our email list, okay? Now, once they're on a list of emails, okay, that we have of our prospects, people that have put their email in, now we can actually have these automated emails, okay, that are going out there one day at a time, sending people back to the sales page. And now, okay, they're going to get multiple exposures, multiple different, contacts, if you will, of this page until they're ready to actually make a buying decision. Now, a lot of people just do this. Okay, they just do this part right here, which can work, okay, but it's not ideal. It's not the best and easiest way to actually make high ticket sales, because usually, okay, when it comes to high ticket sales, people are skeptical, okay? Often that's a lot of money for them to invest, and so they're a lot more skeptical. So what I've personally found and what we've found, okay, when it comes to these people making sales, okay, multiple people, okay, what we're doing is, rather than just sending them again to the capture page and the sales page, we're having the sales page, okay, have a button that sends a person to book a phone call, okay? And what happens is they book a phone call with a sales team, and then the person on the phone finds out that person's goals, finds out if this program is a fit, and if it is, they present the opportunity to buy. And by having someone on the phone talking to your prospects, they can overcome objections, they can help, share more value, share more information, and convert those people a lot more. If you just send people to a sales page to try to make a high ticket sale, it can work, but it's going to work a lot less because people are still skeptical and they don't have that personal contact. But when you send them to a call booking page, now your conversions are going to dramatically increase, and now you can get these much higher payouts, okay? This is really the process I recommend you do, especially if you're a beginner, because this is going to allow you to make the most money as fast and easy as possible. I highly recommend you start with affiliate marketing. You don't have to create the high ticket products yourself. They're already created, and you find a process like this. Now, remember I said you can actually get all this done for you. Again, go down to the link below. When you go to this training, okay, you actually access your free training. You put your best email here because, again, if I'm out and about, maybe I'm at the beach, maybe I'm traveling, you'll be able to get that free training sent to your best email. And then you can go ahead and watch that full in-depth training by my good buddy. He's going to share how to actually get all this done for you, the high ticket products, the high ticket formula and funnel, and also how to start driving traffic. He's going to share one of the best traffic methods working today to start to get high quality traffic, the right ideal prospects and customers attracted to you. You don't have to bother your friends and family. You don't have to chase people. How to attract these people, and then how to actually start receiving these higher payouts, okay? So go down below, check that out. Also, be sure to subscribe with the bell icon, because I'm going to be getting way more in detail on traffic methods, how to actually scale a high ticket business, and much, much more, okay? So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Be sure you go down below, my friend, subscribe, comment below also what you liked best, what traffic method do you want to maybe start with, Facebook, Twitter, and I'd love to read that. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next training video.